A list of criminal cases uncovered by WREG investigators through the Tennessee Public Records Act. Cases recently dropped by the Shelby County District Attorney's Office that involved the 5 former police officers charged in Tyree Nichols' death. The officers were part of a crime suppression team known as the Scorpion Unit. It's been shut down. The DA's office says 39 cases were dropped. 13 have already been expunged, meaning it's been wiped from the person's criminal record. The rest we obtained. Of the court records we've been able to access, the stories sound similar. Mostly black men approached or pulled over by the officers who claim they smelled a strong stench of marijuana or saw some kind of drugs or paraphernalia. Not all involved a traffic stop. In some cases, the officers reportedly approached a person or group standing outside a church or in an abandoned parking lot. In Montarius Harris's case, he says he was in his cousin's apartment complex. He filed a suit in federal district court in February, seeking $5 million in damages after he says the same 5 officers attacked him 3 days before Nichols' death. His attorney, Robert Spence, stated in the lawsuit Harris was suddenly swarmed by what he didn't know were police officers because they were in black ski masks, dressed in black clothing, brandishing guns, other weapons, hurling expletives, and making threats to end his life if he did not exit his car. He thought he was being carjacked and claims they punched, stomped, and dragged him across the concrete. In a sworn affidavit, the officers had a different story, stating they were conducting an investigation when a car began screeching its tires and drove at detectives at a high rate of speed before stopping. One of the officers approached the car and said he could smell a strong odor consistent with marijuana. They claim Harris tried to evade officers and disregard commands. They say they found marijuana and a gun in his car. We reached out to Harris's attorney about his client's criminal case being dropped, but have yet to hear back.
The vast majority of the cases are street-level drug offenses and weapon offenses.
The district attorney's office says it reviewed about 100 cases in total, dismissing nearly 40% of them and lowering charges in about 10 more. DA Steve Mulroy says the reason for doing so came to the lack of credibility the officers would have in court. He added on WREG's Live at 9 last week, this is just one of the ways his office is working to restore trust between police and the community.
When we do address them, we're going to restore public confidence, get the public cooperating with law enforcement again the way they should be, providing tips.
And we're going to continue to pour through these court records and let you know what we find out. We've also asked for a list of the cases where the charges were lowered. The DA's office says it's working on compiling that information for us, and we'll keep you updated. Jessica Gertler, WREG News Channel 3.